So this is a work journal, and I'm going to be showing some of the things that I am working on today. So today I was mostly working on some web applications, basically doing some code review, going through some code, and making some changes. So one of the things that I've been working on is this part of the application. So this is part of another application that had been built a while ago, and we're moving it into TypeScript, which is a different programming language, and we're making a bunch of changes to it as well as we do that, because we've changed, made a lot of improvements in other parts of software. So at the start of the day, one of the issues that we were having was because of the way we set up the database. When we ported it over, we changed a little bit. So whenever I type in a message here, hey, this is a message. This is it for text messaging. So if I hit send there, let's just see if this shows up on my phone. Showed up on my watch. So that came in. Hey, this is a response. And now that should show up here. So this is all live. It updates in real time as everything's happening. So basically redesigned this today so it is instant. Whenever you put in a message, you can see the response came in here. So that took a bunch of time today, and I ended up redesigning a bunch of the way the backend works, just to make it more efficient and to make it easier to follow, make it easier to read the code, and just make it work better. So that's the majority of the day. Also had to go back and improve some documentation on the application and do some other general fixes. But this is the big thing that I was really working on today. It took the majority of the time. And also did a bunch of testing through with this. You can see here that images can also be sent through here. Tomorrow, going to be working on this more. So this is just a little bit of an update on today's work journal.